Hello everyone and welcome on this new late week analysis on the gold from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. So of course guys, I have to admit first of all that I'm not having my best period with the gold. It's getting really harder to analyze this pair nowadays. It's actually now fully relying on fundamentals and the geopolitical updates. Now I think things are getting calm now, right now with the American government. Trump is actually somehow fixing the things in the Middle East. He actually has been able to pause the trading war with China for 90 days. Maybe we are seeing a cease of the fire between between Ukraine and Russia. So I think now things are going well. That's why the gold is actually falling. So right now, actually, we have been waiting for this moment. I actually have been saying from the beginning, I will not sell the gold until I see a price action of a major drop. And I believe finally we have it. The gold has dropped for over 3,000 pips, which is really insane. Now, eventually what we have based on daily chart, as we can see here, is a double top pattern. And here also we have a broken level of a support, as we can see. Now, we believe that this level of the support most likely is going to be retested, and after that the gold will start the fall. Again, we have to consider, my friends, the fundamentals. Again, I have to admit I'm not having my best days with the gold, but again, we will do the best we can. Gold is really perfect to shatter everyone, or actually every trader's confidence. I actually had really bad day yesterday, lost my self-confidence. I didn't open actually any trade yesterday. I was just really upset the whole day because of the last signal of the gold. So again, guys, really I'm doing the best I can. And by the way, look at that, the EURUSD signal, which I have sent on the midweek analysis, as we can see, has actually been triggered with a sniper entry, as we can see right here, and went in so far almost 40 pips of profit. Pound USD also a sniper entry, 35 pips of profit. Of course, we cannot guess them all correctly. AUDUSD so far running in loss of around 27 pips. USDCAD actually running in loss again, 45 pips. USDJPY was running in over 113 pips of profit before right now go back to the break even. USDCHF signal to sell actually right now running in around 20 pips of profit. So again, we cannot figure the right direction for all these pairs. I'm just here doing the best I can to figure it out, and hopefully guys, I believe here we are all adults. We are all actually adults here who actually matured enough to understand if we should take this trade or not. So if you don't feel comfortable with this trade, please don't take it. If you don't feel comfortable about it, you can actually ignore it. You don't have to trade it blindly. Make sure it's aligned with your own analysis, and then you can decide to enter it. So now, based on daily chart, what I can see right here, as you can see here, the resistance trend line number 1, number 2, as we can see right now, has been indeed respected. So right now what we have here recently, guys, is a real level of a resistance trend line number 1, number 2, and then a fake breakout happened right here. This fake breakout here indicates a strong bearish momentum, because the support trend line, as we can see right here, has barely been respected at all. Barely any reversal occurred, and instantly the market has made here the bearish breakout from that area. That being said, I'm actually expecting from the gold to continue to rise again, to retest the same level of a resistance trend line, and also retest the broken level of a support right here, exactly as we can see at the 3220. Now, we need actually more confirmation to sell right here. So let's now go to the 1 hour time frame. Now here, based on the 1 hour time frame, we just need to look at the patterns. So actually what we have here is a resistance trend line number 1, 2, 3, and as you can see here, number 4 as well. So remarkably, my friends, what we have here is a resistance trend line number 1, 2, 3, and after the bullish breakout happened, we can see here 1, 2, 3 attempts of a support trend line, and again after the bearish breakout happened, the market actually has been able to respect the same level as a resistance trend line. So it shows you that this resistance trend line and the support trend line as well is very strong and controlling the structure, or actually the pattern. Therefore, most likely if the gold will continue to rise, it will have to face this level of a resistance trend line, and hopefully, of course, respects it, and also retest the broken level of a support at 3220, which was also right here a resistance, as we can see. So that being said, I would recommend to sell the gold at 3220 and targeting, of course, until only Friday, the nearest level of a key support at 3130, expecting around 900 pips profit with this signal, and the safe zone in this case, that shouldn't be ranging higher than the previous level of a key resistance at 3258, which will be ranging for around 374 pips. Let me now please write this signal for you. And that will be our next signal, my friends, and I really hope it's gonna be a good signal, and hopefully it will be triggered by today. We have to wait for the market to rise to another 420 pips. Guys, again, please understand something. Gold is really hard to predict, and I will tell you something about my personality. I am a sensitive person, to be honest with you. I hate to say it, but really I am. When I fail someone, I feel really so bad, especially when I fail my followers. So again, I will do the best I can to continue providing you with the best Forex signals that you have always expected from Xtreme Trader. It's really a hard time. I'm totally aware, guys, but just really, since Trump came to the White Office, it's really getting much harder to analyze the gold, and I'm just really doing the best I can. And here I'm asking everyone to join our free channel of Telegram on gold to receive any updates about this signal, to stay connected to us. Xtreme Gold Signals on Telegram. I would like to show you something, guys. This is really important. Look at that. Here I actually have sent this update about the last signal of the gold, and I said it seems like the gold has failed 3 times to make a bullish breakout from the resistance at 3257. Now after this price action, staying in this trade might not be safe. We recommend to close it now in small profit or break even. This was of course about the last signal, which actually has failed. So those who are in this group, thankfully and hopefully they were actually able to close the trade before it reached the edge of the safe zone and fail. So again, this group here, guys, I'm doing the best I can to update everyone about any signal I'm sending here on YouTube. So make sure, guys, to join us here. You can find the link in the description below of the video, and you can also find it here, Xtreme Gold Signals. And this group is completely free of cost. You don't have to pay anything at all to join it. Hopefully, guys, we will see you there. So until then, please, guys, trade wisely, carefully, with full caution, with a small lot size. Gold is just really hard to predict nowadays. Until then, I hope that is informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.